Hey guys, welcome. So in this video and upcoming video, we will be learning one of the important PHP concept, that is super global variable, like session, cookies, post, get, server, super global variable, which is important in the PHP and overall web development. So in this video, we will start with the server super global variable. So let's start. Starting with the server super global variable basically is the array containing information about server like headers, path, script location, server name, address, server port, server URL address, etc. So let's jump to the code. Here you can see that this is a basic structure I'm already created, stable, basic stable. So okay, we will testing all the available option of $_server super global variable. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so first option, server name. Similarly, server address, server port, and root document root. So save. Okay, you can see that the server name is localhost because we are running on the local server, this XAMPP server. Okay, Apache web server. Server address : 1. This is local server address. Server port, basically we are running on the server port 8080, so this port number 80. And document root, so the path of the file where we are stored our script file, the PHP script. Then move to the next details. Next is we are going to fetch all the detail of page. Okay, so page details first of all is PHP self. Another is script file name. Save it, refresh. Okay, PHP self, basically it is a path of the file where we are saving this file. Okay, this is the path. Okay, and another is script file name. Okay, this is the absolute path of that particular file. Okay, C:\XAMPP htdocs php example and server.php. The next and the important detail we are fetching, that is browser request detail. If user is requesting our page, then we can fetch all the details about his browser, etc. Okay, so first is remote address. Next one is request URL. Next one is a query string. Another one is request method. Request time. Okay, request port. Another is HTTP referrer. And last one is HTTP user agent. That is not last, but you can also have different options. So visit to php.net and you will find out all the option related to $_server super global variable. I am only show the few different important options of $_server. Okay, HTTP user agent. Okay, so save that, refresh. Here we are getting all the information, that is the remote address is ::1, requested URL, this is path of the file, query string. Okay, we have error something. Okay, no, we don't have error. Query string. Okay, here you can see that the query string. So next, requested method, this get method, request time, time in the millisecond, the page request time, request remote port. Okay, we have error here, HTTP referrer. Okay, we don't this is not an error. Okay, so I can show how this HTTP referrer is work. Okay, and finally we have HTTP user agent, this information about user browser, which browser user visit, the browser version and related information. Okay, so talking about HTTP referrer, HTTP referrer is basically when a user is coming to our web page via the directed link. That means I'm created one file HTML. So suppose here is the another page. Okay, we have another page. If we click here, so we redirect to this server detail page. So here you can see that this HTTP referrer is going to tell is we are redirecting from the refer.html page. Okay, this is clear. So deal with this request port. Okay, basically this is not a request port, this is a remote port. Okay, so save and refresh. So the remote port is 55222. Okay, so that's it for today's video guys. Surely I am catch you in the next one.